From the front to the back, our crew will never lack. It's just something that we have. We give it all we can, cause one day we'll be in high demand. Rockin' stadiums that are so packed. Whoa, every time we drop, they like, go get that, bro. Always on the charts, cause our music's where it's at. Whoa, take over the world, and we first gon' start with rap. Whoa, no ADHD, but it's AD. Coming through a high definition for you to see. When times get hard, we go hard. Don't disregard the strength of our squad. Cashing checks and snapping necks from how the heads rock. Mixing rap and R&B with a little rock. Basically, we putting everything into the pot. The music that we make is from the heart. Step into the door, you'll see troubadours that are sharp as a fork, who are ready to soar. Always looking for more from the stuff they absorb. Using art to explore the allure of their core. We never get bored, curious like George. Abstract Demolition is taking the score. Be sure to see us on tour. We'll lay your encore. Sleep on us if you want. Be awakened by our roar.
Okay, yeah, we extra demolition, and we coming with the vision, and we coming with the mission. You gon' listen, whoa. We gon' be astronomical, cause we proud of Joe. With the music, bro, if not, now they're in the future, yo. We make it with what we did, and soon as 100 degrees hit that music, gon' be on your speakers straight, kicking, yo. We gon' be the new best, no more retro BS. Our name something you never forget, bro. Don't even fret, we just get better with time. You like my rhymes, now it only gets better down the line. You like my beats too, only more heat for you to find. So sit down, cause we gon' knock you on your behind. Our minds are so great, so past be a play. Soon our name's gon' be significant, cause we gon' be the great. Started as a class project and we making it real. Soon we'll be well known and eating them big meals. Like wow, I don't even got no cap and gown, but I'm doing it. Shooting down the dots, I say my future ain't bright like a light, not like the sun. Extra demolition, throw a challenge. We the one that won, we the one that get that money, honey. To the point it ain't funny, doing real dummy. Yeah, we going real stupid, yeah, hype. Cause we gon' be the ones playing shows all in the night. Yeah, that's right, yeah, that's right. No more retro BS, we be the best. Passing every test, if not they getting nothing, do again. As our demolition, do what's in our mind till our lives end. We need to bump up the supply, cause we gon' be in high demand. No more retro BS, we be the best. Passing every test, if not they getting nothing, do again. As our demolition, do what's in our mind till our lives end. We need to bump up the supply, cause we gon' be in high demand.